Join us on an unforgettable half-term holiday. We hopped on stumps, dancey dances, escaping giant ants, and exploring tropical plants, and diving into the world of trains. Those were just some of the amazing things we did. Trust me, it was a whirlwind of fun and excitement you wouldn't want to miss. Our adventure started at the amazing Zog Activity Trail. It was like stepping into a magical storybook. We walked along the trail and guess what? We met some cool characters from the Zog story. After all that excitement, we needed to cool off, so we headed straight to the river. We splashed around, had water fights, and had the best time ever. Next on our adventure list was the botanic garden. It was like stepping into a secret wonderland.
Camel. Oh look.
We explored the beautiful gardens full of vibrant flowers and towering trees.
Is a coffee tree, and this as well. And then I don't know what this tree is, but this is probably is bamboo.
While playing hide and seek, we found a perfect spot near some giant metal ant statues. They were really big and a little creepy. We searched high and low, peeking behind bushes and trees, giggling with excitement as we found the best hiding spots. The garden was so peaceful with colourful flowers dancing in the breeze. When we were done exploring the garden, we stumbled upon a pile of dry wood. You wouldn't believe what we did. We turned it into our very own secret hideout. We built a tent like real adventurers. Our adventure continued at the Locomotion Museum. Oh boy, there were trains everywhere. Old trains, new trains, big trains, small trains. We felt like we travelled back in time. We climbed aboard some of them, imagining all the excited places they had visited. Choo-choo! All aboard the Alessia and Dan Express. Last but definitely not least, we visited the mighty High Force waterfall. Wowza! Hang on, is that a boat I see there? Right in the middle of a waterfall? It was like a giant, super powerful shower. We stood there, amazed by the force of nature. Oh, that's a really cute bird. But it didn't want to make friends with us.
A tide pool!
What a half-term adventure we had. From magical trails to hide and seek fun and waterfalls.